Sometimes it is necessary to keep the machine running and stop working after a certain time. Keeping in mind the needs of the users, KAFAstudio provides the facility to automatically stop work after a certain period of time. This will prevent the need for manpower to work overtime. Today, we'll see how to schedule the router to stop when the machine is running. First, we will run kafastudio. Then click on Auto. Then click on Load to upload the design. Select the required design and click on Open. Click on Simulate to see how the uploaded design will look when finished. Then click Simulate again, and after lifting the highlighter, click the right mouse button on the design and click Clear View. Then we will click on Advanced to set the time. Then click on Time Stop option. Then turn on the setting option and select the time to stop working in the set time option. It is now 12:15. We want to stop work at 12:16. Note that 24-hour time format is calculated here. After setting the time, we will select the effective option. Selecting the effective option will stop the job once at our set time. Then, we will click on Yes option. And click on Run option to start working. The machine stopped working. It's 12:16 p.m. Automatic operation is stopped. If we want to stop working at the same specific time every day, then, as before, we will turn on the setting option from the advanced option and set the time and turn on the permanent option. Then click on the Start option and the work will start. And after a certain time, the work will stop. And there will always be a tick next to the time stopped option. And every day at this time, the machine will stop working. Thank you. See you in the next KAFAstudio tutorial.